Hi, this is Petro with YachtLights.com, and this is the 20-inch LED strips from SeaMaster lights. These are 20-inch long LED waterproof strips. They work with 12-volt DC only, and they're available in white, blue, red, green, purple, as well as dual color, where you can change from white to red and white and blue. These are real easy to install. Basically, they come with a couple of clips like this. Put one on either ends. Put a couple screws. Okay. Alright, then you just run the wire through. Make your connections. Red goes to positive. Black goes to ground. Like this. Alright. Just turn the switch on, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now you'll notice on the opposite side you have some more wire. If you're only going to put one strip, you can just cut it off and seal it. What this wire is used for is if you're going to connect more of them and daisy chain them together, you just connect this to the next one and the next one and so on. But that's pretty much all there is to it.